Here is how to apply the Capdase ScreenGUARD Privacy ARIS on your iPad. First of all, opening the package, you will find the ScreenGUARD, a dusting cloth, the ScreenGUARD helper, and a piece of instruction. Place your iPad on a secure level surface. Then, clean the screen with the dusting cloth included to remove any grease and fingerprints. Leave any dust particle with a piece of tape if necessary. From the ScreenGUARD, carefully peel protective layer number 1 to about halfway. Do not touch the adhesive side of the ScreenGUARD. Now, align the corners with your iPad screen and start applying the ScreenGUARD slowly. Steady work your way across the screen and flatten out any air bubbles with the ScreenGUARD helper. Peel the protective layer number 1 along the way until it's come off completely. Now, peel off protective layer number 2, but don't leave off the ScreenGUARD altogether. Finally, scratch any bubbles or flatten out any imperfections with the dusting cloth, and you are done. Look at the anti-spying effect of the ScreenGUARD Privacy ARIS.
Capdase, www.capdase.com